Kia ora, welcome to the Crater Rim Walk along Mount Eden, locally known as Maungawhau. Gaze into the ancient volcanic crater, then take a sweeping 360-degree panoramic views of Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland City. It's short but sweet. Hit subscribe and let's ride. Hey, welcome to Mount Eden, Maungawhau Walk. In terms of the walk itself, it's easy or moderate, it depends. There's quite a bit of uphill, so I would strongly suggest wearing sneakers and be wary. It can be very windy up here, so a jacket might be in call. Dogs permitted on leash only. So for ages, cars and buses used to drive right up to the summit. But now, thankfully, in my eyes, it's vehicle-free since 2016. But there are some handicap spots available up the top, which is pretty cool as well. They did this because they wanted to respect the mana of the sacred place. It's a better spot for walkers now too, so I appreciate it very much. Okay, up to the mountain. But first, down to the loos. These are your toilets. It will do. So this is your general visitors car park. There are multiple places that you can park. This one is actually the summit access. And beware because gates can close. Maungawhau, Mount Eden. So we're here located at the loos, and we're just going to do this inner crater look and show the viewpoints. If you like, you can decide to leg it straight up the hill or follow this road. This is the view from the road. Still a little something. Definitely worth enjoying travelling up this area. Where the inner pathway sort of starts. And if you want to have a look, this is what the crater is just from down the bottom. You can alternatively choose to continue up to the outer track. More stairs. Yeah. Up we go. Sacred hypodermic needle. Here's a fun fact that I read. Back in the day, before the Europeans arrived, the crater was super important for the Māoris in ways they used to dig storage pits for Kumara. Kumara is a sweet potato. They used to dig these pits all around the rim. Apparently you can find them.
I was only there for the past... What do you mean? Well, there's multiple of each road.
But then I realised it set it.
Grand. See that big bowl in the middle? The main crater is apparently around 50 meters deep. Oh, that breeze is glorious. In Māori is called Ipu-a-Mataaho, and it means the food bowl of Mataaho. We are to the first city view. Mataaho is apparently the deity responsible for volcanic activity. Lazy in these parts because this thing hasn't erupted for forever. Oh, yeah. Fun fact, we're on the highest natural point on the Auckland Isthmus. There you go. Down there's the iconic Newmarket Westfield. Rangitoto. Wow, you definitely get the best seat in the house up here. You can check out the Sky Tower, Rangitoto Island, and all the other volcano cones that are scattered around Auckland.
Das ist halt die Autobahn, die geht nicht ein.
Back to the track we go. See how busy it is. So many different ethnicities here actually. This poor guy looks like he's just going for a run. Held up with all the tourists. Check it out. Another track. Oh, there's a ballet dancer. So it is important to note that you need to stay on the track. Safety, yes, but this is considered sacred ground. So be respectful.
Really nice boardwalk actually. Super nice boardwalk.
It's been well done.
Hill?
One Tree Hill, far off in the distance over there. It's been rebranded over the time to Noni Tree Hill because there's none. The tree was taken down. Stairs. So apparently the last time this thing erupted was 28,000 years ago. I read that, I didn't know that off the top of my head. I don't know, it's a very long time. Welcome the breeze. What suburb am I staring at right now?
Mount Eden.
Makes sense, because this is Mount Eden. Some bougie looking tennis courts down there.
If you captured all of the tiny little craters around Auckland.
Yeah, there are a lot of craters here. It's like a teenager's skin going through high school. Just little bumps everywhere. Makes for very hard cycling. Moving around the crater. A little valley. Wind. Get to see a little bit of the harbour. Leading up to the less than glorious Sky Tower. Have a look at another viewing platform. An elephant helped build the Trig station. You might say, what is a Trig station? It's a place where they do surveying. You also might say, why an elephant? I have no idea, but apparently it happened in the 1800s. There was this guy, Prince Alfred's elephant. It got rewarded with lollies, buns, and even beer for its hard work. I don't know if that's animal cruelty or a very prestigious elephant. Far off in the distance over there is the Waitex. There's West Auckland. Next tear down. Down the stairs, finally. Finally, it's down the stairs. Oh, the peripheral. Posing for a photo before, and this wind almost knocked me over. That is the Mount Eden Stadium. Recently let you hold concerts there. Used to just be for sporting events, mostly rugby because that's what New Zealand does. Here is where you can park your car if you're privileged. What are your thoughts on the look of the Sky Tower?
Very needly.
Very needly. Yeah.
Right there. Let's go.
No.
Look down. No.
Stick to the pathway. Yeah. What's your thoughts on this view? Always wonder where you're from and what you do, so by all means comment down below. Are you visiting here? What would you like to see? Very much appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that you join for some more videos to come.